Paying for DStv via your phone typically involves various methods, including mobile banking apps, USSD codes, or payment platforms. Mobile banking apps. If your bank offers a mobile app, log into the app on your phone. Navigate to Payments. Find the option for bill payments, often located in the app's menu under Payments, Services, or Bills. Select DStv as payee. Choose DStv as the recipient or payee for your bill payment. You might need to select a service category like TV subscriptions or pay TV. Enter account details. Enter your DStv customer or smart card number accurately. Confirm the details to ensure accuracy. Enter payment amount. Input the amount you want to pay for your DStv subscription. Authorize payment. Verify the payment details and authorize the transaction by entering your mobile banking PIN or any other required authentication method. Confirmation. Upon successful payment, you should receive a confirmation message or email confirming the payment for your DStv subscription.